Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve October-November 2022 past paper, and we selected the component which is 03. All right. So now we will try to solve the last task, which is website authoring for this paper. Okay. So now let's go to the support file and check the number of files which they gave us. So here we will start with the task 5, which is the file management. Create a new folder called N22. Locate the following files. So these are all the files we need to locate it and display the content of N22. Okay, and store them in N22 folder. All right. So to do this, I will go to my support file folder, right click, new folder, and this is N22. Okay, all right, so done. Now we need to locate all the files. Okay, we will start with contact, home, lion, and logo. Okay, so contact, move. Okay, and then lion, then we have logo, then we have home, then project, styles, CSS, text, and then n22.html and n22. The last file is this JPG. All right, so now this is done. Open the folder. Okay, so now we will view as a list to it so that we can see the all details. See all the details. All right, now done. Next, display the content of N22. Show the folder name, all file extension, file size, image, and dimensions. We need to show this. So, student, I hope you remember. We will go anywhere in the type or like, any location and right click, click on more. So, date is not needed, type is needed, size is needed, tag is also not needed, and we need dimension. Okay, where is dimension? We will just select the dimension here, dimension, and then file name, and then press OK. So these are all the extension. We got it. What we need to do. Okay, so take a screenshot and paste in your take a screenshot and paste required in your clear visible. Take a screenshot. Okay, all right. So now Windows plus print screen to take a screenshot. So this is the clear dimension. Now I'm going to paste in my evidence file. Control V. All right. So this is done. Now minimize it. We don't need this anymore. Next. Yeah. Okay. So all right. So now we will go to the task 4. Okay. Task 4, which is our real task, which we are going to start now. Okay. You will be creating a web page of Tawara Wildlife Trust. Create in your N22 folder. Okay. The web page should be called as lion.htm. Okay. The web page name should be the lion.htm. All right. So yeah, we'll go ahead now. So to do this particular task, I'm going to use the web expression software. So let me clear all first and then go to file, new, and this I'm going to save it as right click save. Okay, on my support file folder, which is on the desktop, and save it here as a, what was the name they gave us? Lion.htm. Lion, lion.htm. Okay, and save in your N22 folder. This is here, and then click on save. Done. So done. Now, so yeah, so now to make the table, so let me count the number of rows. One, two, three, four, five. Five rows and one, two, three columns. Okay, five rows and three columns. So we will go to our table. Insert table. Total number of rows are five, and total number of columns are 3, and make it as a 100% width, because they clearly mention here the width should be the 100%. Okay, so all right, fine. So then press OK. Yeah. So now let us try to make the structure as given in the paper. So now we need to merge the complete column 1. So select all the column, right click, modify and merge. Next, B and C, D, C and D all merge. Okay, so let me select B, right click, modify and merge, and C also right click, modify and merge, and D also. D, do we need to merge? Yeah, right click, modify and merge. Right. So whereas E and F no need to merge, but the G we need to merge. So last but not the least is right click, which is G, merge. All right. So now and let me name it as A, B, C, and this is D, E, and then F, and last but not the least is G. All right, so done. So now let us give the dimension to our cells. So A has a width of 30%. So right click, go to cell property, and specific width is 30%. Please, student, make sure you select the percentage option. Apply and then OK. Next, we have B is 70%. Right click, cell property. B is specific width is 70%. Okay, 70, and then in percentage, apply and then OK. Now we have C also same. Right click, cell property, specific width, which is also 70%. All right, so apply and then OK. Next, what we need to do, D, they did not mention anything. E width is 35, E and F both are 35. So let me select both together, right click, cell property, and both width are 35 in percentage, apply and then OK, done. Now G, they did not mention anything. Okay, so each table cell is identified with the letter, which is done already, A, B, C, D, and some dimensions are shown. Yes, this must to be set as a percentage value, which is already done. Do not set the height of any cell. Yes, we did not. Next, the cell contained the shown in the diagram must not be appear. Okay, A, B, C, whatever the text we gave here. So it should not be appear in the final web page. All right. The table border must not be appear in your final web page. Table border must not be appear in your final web page. So click on code and go to our table style. Okay. And just make it as a border equal to 0. Okay. 0%. Okay. Or you can make it as a 0 is also fine. So click on design. So here you can't able to see your table border, which is not visible. Done. Place in a cell A image of a N22 logo. Okay, so now click on A, right click, insert. Okay, you can go like this also, or simply you can click on insert picture option. Here it is available easily, instantly. You can select it. Click on desktop, go to your support file folder, and go to your N22 folder. Where is the logo? So what we need to put first in A, it is a logo, select logo and insert and write alternative text as a logo and then press OK. Done. Next, in B, image as a project.jpg. So in B, I will go to again insert picture from file and which is project, insert, and then this alternate text is project. All right, done, and then press OK. Next, in C, a video tag of a N22 lion dot mp4 so that it is a fit in a width of the cell, means we need to inline the style, make it as a 100% width. Okay, style and automated text based error if the browser does not support the window. Okay, so now A, B, where is my C? It is C here. So now let me, student, now after importing you can remove, go to code, and you can remove from here A. We don't need A now anymore, we don't need B anymore. Click on design. Now let me go to the C. All right, so now done. In yeah, so now it should be fit and display the automated text-based error. All right, so we will remove Z and let us go to the code. Okay, let's go to the code where we will go here code. So this is the C. I just remove the C from here and press multiple time enter. Now let me put the video tag. Open video. Okay, all right, and video. What is the we need to put here? Okay, so video tag they are saying. So I'm just putting a controls, okay, to make sure there is no, okay, the problem in my code. So video control, okay, is equals to controls. Yeah, and this style, okay, where width W IDATH width is equals to 100%. All right. So this I am done and then close. So there are multiple options, student. You can use width is equal to 100% fit in a the given the cell, or else you can use a in style function also to make sure that fit in a given cell. So now open where is the source. So here I have the source src is equals to, okay, where now I will go to my support file folder. Okay, where is the this mp4 lion, right click, copy the path, copy the path, and we will go to our software application and then press Ctrl V, okay, which is done. So now in this way you need to copy the path of your file. Now what type of video this is? Type equals to this is video oblique mp4, okay, video oblique mp4. This is done. Now next, close the tag and press enter. Okay, so now if what they said, display an automatic text-based error message if the browser does not support this video. So what I'm going to do, the browser does not support the video type. This is the text-based message I'm typing here to close my final video tag. Now let me arrange everything properly and click on it, design. Okay, so now to make sure whether it is insert or not, we will go to file, okay, preview in browser, Internet Explorer, and then press OK to check whether our video got inserted or not. So now this is how the video will be look like. So you can see here the video can be like, we can able to see and it is functioning perfectly. All right. So now video is working perfectly fine. Next, E is the image, okay, which is n22 homepage.png. In E also, we need to put an image. Where is E? It is here. Let me remove E and then insert picture from file. And what is the file name? Homepage. Click on home and insert. And this is home. HOME, home, alternate text. Press OK. Done. Now next in F also, I'm going to insert a one more image, which is contact. Okay, so F, I'm removing F, click on insert, picture from file, and this is contact, and then insert, and this is contact. All right, and then press OK. Don't worry, student. We will try to fit all the images into a perfect window. Okay. Place an inline style attribute so that the each image fit in a given width cell. Okay. So now we will go to code and let me find out where are our images are. So images is here in A. So here, what I'm going to do here. So we are going to remove the width. Okay. So here, so let me remove the width first because this width we are going to inline it. So now I don't need height, okay, and I don't need width. And this complete thing we are going to inline. Style is equals to width, style equals to width, which is 100%. All right, done. Now next also we don't need the height again here, okay, and width again here, and this I'm going to inline it. Style equals to width which is 100%. All right, so now done two images and third image. Do we need the width here? Yeah, this we will keep as it is, the width of the table, and then I remove. Now next is here image again. Do we need a width? Do we need a height? We don't need height. Okay, and we don't need the width, which is 400%. Now I'm going to put here as a style style equals to width, which is 100%. All right, and then last but not the least is again here also the last image. I remove the height again from here and then remove the width and then inline style style equals to width, which is 100%. All right, so now we're done with this all. Student, there are two options like in the video, as I told you, you can put style also. Make sure check with style whether it is like taking the complete image it is showing or not. So this one did we put A also? We need to check whether we fix it A1 also or not. Okay, so A is done. Yeah, everything is perfectly done. So now click on design. Let me go to the file preview in Internet Explorer. Press OK. So yes, this is perfect. Now, student, you can see each and everything is perfectly aligned and fixed in our given window website. Okay, so this is how you can do it. All right. So perfectly fine. Everything is inline style. So the video is also working. Perfect. So now here criteria 2, if you wanted to put a width is equal to 100%, that also you can do. So let's do the testing. Okay, width equals to 100%. So this also you can do and check, okay, the testing whether it is working or not. File, preview, and Internet Explorer. Yeah. So in this way also this is working. So in both the cases it is correct. Yeah, here you can see it is perfectly working. All right. So now here we have. Now you can see the D is visible here. So let me remove the D because they ask us to not to show any of the text letter here. Where is D? D is here. Okay, but what we need to put in D? Let me check first. Okay, so this is done. Add a appropriate alternate text to all the images, which is already done, and we did. Next, in place in cell D, N22 text.txt. Okay, so now where is my support file folder? Let me open the text. Okay, and then I'm going to copy the content, minimize it. Now I am going to my application software. And where is my D here? So I will remove D and press enter, enter two times and control V. This is the content. Okay. Or else few students were asking me, sir, is it possible that we can directly insert the value in the cell itself? Yes, control V. In this way also you can do it. No problem. So it will not affect your any of the work. Next, let's go to the next question. Set the text a style which is H2. So now I'm going to select the content or simply click on code. Okay, and select your complete content of D and apply H2. Go here and H2. Done. So we applied H2. Go to design. Yes, this is how it look like. Next, enter in cell G text. What is the text edited by? Edited by followed your name, center number, candidate number. So we will go down and where is our last but not the least cell is G, control V, edited by name, ABC underscore center number IN123, candidate number is 1234. All right, done. So what we need to do to this, we need to apply the H3 to this particular text. So now let me select, okay, go to code better and select your complete name and apply H3 to it. Right, perfect. Create a hyperlink to the image n22 home.png. Okay, and that should be open in a n22 twt.htm. Okay, to do this, where is home? Design. Yeah, this is the home, right? Isn't it? Yep, this is the home. What we need to do? Home.png. We need to create a hyperlink. Okay, simple. So right click, hyperlink it, and where is what we need? With n22 twt.htm. This is, and then press OK. Perfect. Now we hyperlink this. Let me go to code and check. So here you can see it is home. It is hyperlinked to this. Okay. Particular dot n22 dot twt. All right. Done. Next, create a hyperlink again to the n22 contact.png. All right. And to open in an email editor. Okay. So let me copy the email first from here. Okay. Now, yeah. So this is the email ID and the subject line also they gave. To where to N22 contact. Click on design. Go to contact. Yes, here it is contact us. Right click. Okay, I'm going to use right click, hyperlink. Okay, and click on email. Just type the email address and what is the subject line they gave us, dear? They gave us Project Lion. They gave us Project Lion as a subject line and then press OK. Done. Go to code and check. Yes, so here you can see this is the mail and this is the subject line as a Project Lion. Done. So now anything else? Attach the style sheet which is n22style.csv to your web page. Okay, how to attach? We will go to attach, browse, style sheet, and this is n22 style. Is it n22 style.css? Yeah, and then press open and then OK. So perfect. So now it is done. Save your web page. Okay. File, save. Done. Next, take a copy of your HTML source in your evidence file. So go to source code and take a copy of this complete code and paste in your evidence file. Okay. So now let me go here, Control C, and here is my support evidence file, Control V. Done. Next. So we paste it. Now let me go to the next question. Display your web page in your browser if necessary. Student, again I repeat here, if necessary only you need to resize or else leave it as it is. All the page can be seen, text can be easily read, and your address bar should be visible. This is important because they will look into your code, not in your any type of designing. So make sure your HTML code should be correct. Okay, take a screenshot and paste in your of your web page, a browser, and paste in your evidence document. So to do that, I will go to design and then file, okay, print preview, okay, Internet Explorer view, and this is how our web page is perfectly fine. All and every items are clearly seen. You can zoom in and you can zoom out also. If you want to do some necessary setting, you can do it. But here it is very much perfectly fine. So we don't have to do anything. Take a screenshot, okay, and paste in your evidence file. Paste in your evidence file, Control V. Done. So now done. So let me show you. The video is also perfectly working here. We don't have any problem. All right. So this is done. Let me close. Now let me go to the question paper again. Take a screenshot of web page browser showing the table content clearly visible. Yes, it is clearly visible. And save and print your evidence document. So that's all. We're done with the task. Thank you very much for watching, student. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.